Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Kleinanzeigen. First, download the app or visit the website to create your free account. The registration process is straightforward, requiring your email and phone number verification. Once set up, you can start listing items without any fees for most private sales. If you want more visibility, there are optional paid promotion features available to boost your ads reach. To attract buyers, high-quality photos are essential. Ensure your images are clear, well-lit, and display the item from various angles. Next, craft a detailed and honest description, including the item's condition, brand, and any imperfections. Transparency builds trust. Finally, research similar listings to set a competitive price. It's often wise to price slightly above your desired amount to allow for negotiation, as many buyers enjoy a good deal. When a buyer contacts you, respond promptly and politely using Kleinanzeigen's messaging system. Be prepared to answer questions about your item. Remember, negotiation is common, so don't feel obligated to accept the initial offer. Aim for a fair price. If you arrange an in-person meeting, always choose a public place for safety. Bringing a friend along is also a good idea to ensure a secure transaction. For secure transactions, always use Kleinanzeigen's Sicher Bezahlen feature. This system holds the payment until the buyer confirms receipt, offering protection for both parties. Be cautious of requests to pay outside the platform or through external links, as these can be scams. Never share your personal banking details directly. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.